Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today we're working on a 2020 Grand Design Reflection. It's a 337 RLS, and what I wanted to show you was the customer came in for us to go ahead and do the Roadmaster slipper spring set and a wheel bearing pack, some brakes I believe as well, but they also have 3 cracks on one side of the I-beam frame, which is directly over the center leaf spring hanger. So we're going to turn that into LCI warranty and see if they'll covering it. And then on the opposite side, there is one crack. And let me walk you around there, give you a shout for that. We'll come back to this issue here. Same thing, you've seen in other previous videos. So over here on this side, same kind of scenario. See, we're not sure if that one's cracked all the way through, but we believe it is, so we got to do some paint work because we can see it right there. So anyway, stay tuned for more and we'll keep you updated. Thanks so much for watching.